Sap is rising, new beginnings, new year, new start. So we've got in the shamanic learning practice 2 people teaching journeying quite soon. Sadie's teaching in February and Rahima is teaching at the end of March. And this is a perfect way to rejuvenate your practice. Let the new sap rise through the old tree. So whether you're a beginner or whether you just have kind of put journeying to the side a bit, this is a really wonderful opportunity to deepen and connect with your inner resources. With all the stress that's been happening for people, with all the changes that are going on, journeying is the best way, the most healing thing you can do for yourself to reconnect with your own sources of wisdom from within and get that direct revelation. So what both Sadie and Rahima are doing with people, if you want to come back because you already know how to journey, but you haven't been journeying for a while and just want to get into the juice of it again, they will both create other kind of intentions, and the new people will get the basic beginner stuff, but if you're more advanced, you can come back and do deeper work, and they will guide you through that as well. So these weekends are coming up quite soon, so I would advise you to have a look, and it's a wonderful way to integrate after you've had shamanic healing. Or indeed, if you're waiting for a shamanic healing or thinking about having a shamanic healing, learning to journey first can help you reconnect with the sources within yourself of wisdom and be the most excellent preparation for receiving a healing. So they are both excellent teachers, and I strongly recommend them to you. Another thing that's happening is Allison Gamblin in Marlborough is teaching, celebrating the seasons of the Celtic calendar, and she's taking people who are journeying in her journey circle, but she's doing full day celebrations. So she has one for Imbolc coming up, but she's also doing all the other celebrations as well, Beltane and so on and so forth. So she's a brilliant practitioner, and you will totally enjoy celebrating these pagan festivals with her. And in her beautiful setting, she has a tremendously beautiful area where she does the work. All these beautiful yellow birds are flying overhead as I said that. And when we came down here to film, a deer was sitting right here in the garden. We're near the yurt, and this is where we do. Oh, they're just above us. It's so beautiful. I don't know if they're yellowhammers. I'm not really sure, but they all have these amazingly bright golden yellow bellies. They're beautiful. And we're going to be doing a color athenium in March. So if you don't feel like traveling and you're feeling quite inner, you can do the course online. And we're going to be exploring the earth band. So we're going to be having delicious colors like forest green and deep ocean blue and pink. This beautiful pink compassion. And when we work with the colors, they're amazing teachers that are here to support us in our own personal development, but also when we work with clients. So you might find these allies are coming in when you're giving healings, and they also work really beautiful if you're a shamanic practitioner. They come in a lot with soul retrieval. They help when you're returning soul parts. They're there to give energy and juice to support your clients in their healing. So I strongly recommend this work as a continuing professional development course. The Color Athenium really supports its advanced work, whether you're working for yourself or whether you're working on behalf of other people. Beautiful, beautiful work. And we have a nice circle of people that are doing the work together, and they support as you look within. They support each other and do journeyings for each other on behalf of each other. And it's a beautiful set of allies, and they're bringing energies from outside of time into this reality to help us with our own healing. So I recommend that. We also have in person, we're doing a color energy medicine. So that is more hands-on, it's more experiential here now. We're doing a lot of movement, we're doing art and craft, and we're doing journey work and journaling. And it's very experiential. We'll also be doing theater with it, shamanic theater, where we merge with the masters of the rays and embody them. So we pack a lot in a short period of time, and it's beautiful because it's one thing to study them online, it's another thing to come in person in community and merge with them. So it's a different sort of energy. So we're exploring the color energy. We're going to be working with red rays and orange rays. We're also using the focus of the chakra system to help create a container for you to process the different aspects of the rays. We've got loads of reds and loads of oranges. They all mean different things. The first one that we're doing in March, and we'll be going systematically through each chakra and the colors related primarily in those areas as we move through in the year. So you'll hear more about that as we the other ones, but that's what's kind of on board right now. The ancestral healing is fully booked. That's in the springtime. So if you are wanting to do a constellation with the ancestral work, in the autumn we have a few spots left, but I would say book sooner rather than later because the places are going. So have a beautiful beginning of the year and a beautiful Imbolc, and allow that sap just to rise and enjoy the spring returning. We've got the crocuses coming up in the labyrinth, and the daffodils are just showing their heads now. So spring is soon coming. I wish you all great joy and a very happy 2018, and I hope we get to see you for some of it and enjoy playing with merging with the divine energies. Okay, so bye for now.